It is my honor to stand here before you at this special second installation of IUEA Chancellor.
The International University of East Africa has also made history today in having you as the first lady chancellor in any university in Uganda.
Ambassador Mohamed is a committed international civil servant who has had a distinguished career in both public and foreign service.
An educationalist who has contributed enormously to the education sector in our country, Kenya.
When I looked at IUEA, I saw a young, dynamic university, a university that's willing to push the frontiers of knowledge, a university moving with the times, striving to be the technological university of choice. I also, ladies and gentlemen, saw a university that's compassionate and that's connected to its immediate and its global communities. And it's these values that made me accept the offer of Chancellor of this great institution.
I have no doubt in my mind that Ambassador Mohamed will help this institution to build a strong educational system that will groom the youth, improve the present, and develop the future.
As students of IUEA, we wish her all the best in this new chapter of our life.
We are confident that the new Chancellor shall come up with new ideas to enable us to achieve our goal of becoming the technological university of choice in Africa.
I'm happy that Ambassador Amina Mohamed will bring the significant experience she has to help an institution of learning like this in Uganda and the East African region and beyond. This will help to continue to strengthen the relationships between the two countries and of course the greater East African region as we pursue integration.
As the second Chancellor of this great university, I want to let you know how proud I am to have been invited and approached for this position. I also want to confirm to you my commitment to serve. To the students, I will do my best to make sure you're equipped with the tools that will magnify and amplify your chances of success in life.